Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how cable-driven continuum robot operates using Dynamixel motors. Dynamixel motors and joystick with Arduino are already connected to the laptop. Now we open our folder containing test codes and open our operating code. Before running this code, we made sure that our Arduino sketch is already compiled and uploaded. Now using joystick, we are going to set our alpha angle to 0. Let's move it to 90 degree. Now we can set it to, for example, 160 degree. Go to 270. Now we can repeat it starting from 0 to 90 to 180 and to 2070. In order to achieve initial straight shape or go to home position, we need to exit the current code and we open another code and write our home position values 2048 for each motor manually, and we set the positions. Thank you for watching.